Welcome to your healing relaxation session. Let's embark on a journey to soothe your mind, relax your body, and rejuvenate your spirit. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to settle in. Close your eyes gently, and let's begin. As you start to relax, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and at ease. Let the rhythm of your breathing calm your thoughts and soften any tension in your body. Imagine a wave of relaxation starting at the top of your head. Feel it slowly moving down, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let this peaceful feeling flow down your neck, releasing any tightness as it goes. Allow this sensation to move into your shoulders. Feel them dropping away from your ears, relaxed and loose. This wave of relaxation continues down your arms, all the way to your fingertips, easing any tension. Bring your awareness to your chest and your breathing. With each breath, your chest rises and falls like the gentle waves of a calm ocean. Feel your heart space open and relaxed. Let the wave of relaxation travel down your spine. Releasing each vertebra one by one. Feel the relaxation spread to your lower back. And into your hips, letting go of any tightness. Feel this soothing wave move through your legs. Relaxing your thighs, your knees, your calves, and down to your feet. Your entire body is now completely relaxed, feeling light and at peace. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine a beautiful, serene location. It could be a quiet beach, a tranquil forest, or a lovely garden. You are completely safe and at ease in this place. The beauty of this environment fills you with a sense of peace and healing. Take a moment to explore this place. Notice the colors, the sounds, and the scents. Everything here contributes to your deep state of relaxation and healing. You feel connected to the beauty and tranquility that surrounds you. As you bask in this peaceful environment, imagine a warm, healing light shining down upon you. This light is filled with love and healing energy. Feel it enveloping your body, soothing any discomfort. Healing any pain and filling you with a sense of well-being. Let yourself bask in this light for a few moments, absorbing its healing energy. Now, it's time to gently bring your awareness back to the present. Remember, you can return to this place of healing and relaxation whenever you need. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining this healing relaxation session. May you carry this sense of peace and well-being with you throughout your day.